This video is about setting up your company page that appears when you click on this company tab in the settings area of your agency level.
Hi guys, welcome to GoHighLevel Made Easy. Make sure to support us by subscribing, liking, sharing and giving us your feedback. And don't forget to join our free meta group, also called GoHighLevel Made Easy, where we offer hundreds of dollars of free training every week. Thank you. Let's watch the video.
The first thing here is the company relationship number. GoHighLevel identifies your company by email you gave them when you purchased the software, and by this relationship number. So whenever you need to contact GoHighLevel support area, they will ask for this relationship number. Please note that each sub-account, also known as location, in your agency also has their own location ID, listed on their business profile page. In a case where you need GoHighLevel's help with a location, you will need to provide them with the location ID, so they can look it up on their end and help you. Now let's get to the rest of the company page details. This page is for your agency or company information. Any details you add here will apply agency-wide. The first thing here is the company logo. Therefore, the company logo you add here will appear on all sub-accounts in your agency. So, let's see how the logo setup works. In the beginning, setup of logos can be confusing for new agency owners because they have an agency level setup, and they also have their own main sub-account from where they manage and run the entire business. Both these setting areas need their own logos. So, let's take a few minutes to look at the details of the entire logo setup in GoHighLevel. We already have our logo set up here. For the sake of this video, we are going to remove this logo and re-add it. Before we remove it, please notice that this logo is currently appearing in two different locations on this page. Once here, and the second time here on the top left corner, though here it is much smaller. But it is the same file. This small logo is universal. It appears on the same spot, same small size, on all sub-accounts within your agency. If we don't add our own logo on this page to represent our agency, this place displays GoHighLevel's logo by default. So let's delete our current logo to check it out. Let's click on this and remove our logo. So our logo here is deleted, but notice that the logo in the top left corner was automatically replaced by GoHighLevel's own logo, which is programmed in here by default. Now let's go back and re-add our logo. Let's click on this change button. Upload our logo from our computer and add it. I had already saved a properly sized logo here. The recommended size for this logo is 350 pixels wide and 180 pixels high. Okay, so now it is added. And it is appearing in both places. Right here and in the top left corner. Now let's go to our own sub-account, the account we use to run our own agency, and see how this logo shows up there. So, this is our main sub-account. As you see, our agency level logo is here on the top left corner. It appears on the same location on all sub-accounts. Let's go to the settings page for our main sub-account. So on this page, as you see, we still need to add a logo. You can add the same logo here again, or you can add a different logo to represent just this main sub-account. Please remember, each sub-account in your agency represents a different business or client. That means that each client will need to add their own logo as well. So let's go to a client's sub-account profile for a moment and see that they still have the option to add their logo to represent their business. Let's go with this account here, AJE Building, for example. As you see, this client has their own logo here, plus they have a small digital AdCast logo on the top left corner. When they log into their sub-account, they will see both logos, their own and your agency's logo. I hope this was helpful. If not, please contact us, and we will be glad to help. So let's move on the rest of the profile setup. In here you add your company name. Next, we add the company's email address. This address will appear on documents generated on behalf of the company, like the invoices, etc. Your company's phone number goes here. Add your company's website address here if you have one. This is your white label domain. This means that this domain shows your company's name instead of GoHighLevel's name. This domain is used for logging into your agency or sub-accounts inside of your agency. You have to give this link to your clients who have sub-accounts in your agency so they can log into their accounts. How do you create or set up this white label domain? We have a separate video in our library to walk you through the white label domain setup steps. Make sure to watch it. You can also watch this video provided by GoHighLevel, available here under this question mark. It is the same thing as our video on this topic. What is API domain? Setting up API domain customizes the links that you share with your clients and customers. For example, if you need to send someone a link to your calendar, that link will have your agency or company's name in it if you have already set up this API link. We have a separate video in this library about how to set up your API link. Make sure to watch it. Privacy policy URL. In the US and some other countries, by law you are required to have privacy policy added to any website or funnel where you collect information from your visitors. Make sure to add the link to your privacy policy here. Always add the https:// part with the URL. Terms and conditions. Again, just like the privacy policy, it is a requirement in some countries and recommended in others. So please take the time to add the link from your website page where you have your terms and conditions posted. If you want to customize your agency, you can add custom JavaScript here. Most agencies don't have the need for it. Same with custom CSS, which you can add here. Themes. GoHighLevel offers two themes, light and dark. You can switch between the two here. Make sure to update after adding all the details. On the right side here you can add your company's address and time zone. Make sure to add the time zone as it will reflect on your documents and calendars. Optimize Experience gives you the option to get updates in different areas. Select your choices here using these on and off buttons. Content AI. This feature is only available to agencies subscribed to Agency Pro or $497 per month plan or $970 per year plan. Turning this on will help in writing text when needed in some areas within your agency. For example, it helps speed up the writing process when you are writing posts, blog posts, copy for your site, or writing email content and more. LC, Lead Connector Triggers and Actions. This feature is only available to Agency Pro plan holders or the $497 per month plan. You can enable or disable it from here. Lead Connector, LC, Premium Actions and Trigger Setup unlocks advanced capabilities such as connecting workflows to external systems or software without using expensive third-party automation tools like Zapier, Integromat, or 𝒑𝒂𝒕. We have a separate video on this topic. Make sure to watch it. So, this is it for this video. See you in the next video.